Nanggagala na naman tayo dahil last week nga, diba, nasira yung heater ng sasakyan ni Kit. So, ibabalik na namin yung rental niya. And susundan ko na lang siya. Umalis na siya. Nandito na pala kami. Nandun na si Kit sa loob. Nag-aantay na kasi susunod niya na yung sasakyan. Kita nyo ba? Ang layo. Nandito kami sa Hertz and Thrifties, I think. Isang company lang siya. Ito na pala si Kit. Punta lang daw kami sa... Saan ba yan? Sa Southgate ulit. Tignan namin kung may line up yung binibilhan ko ng kape. Ito na pala kami. Ayan. Oh, this one is good for Astrid.
Yeah.
Do you have... Where's the men's?
What do you mean, man?
Men's,
You think he's a man already, or what?
No.
He's only like 10.
He's 12.
Oh.
What is it? You don't have any other thing?
Oh, look, see. Baby. Look if you have a baby.
It's like
right?
small.
Yeah.
You already bought a whole bunch of
Baby
stuff for
James.
Astrid. Oh, this looks like... They don't have good ones. Here. Oh, he has this one.
See?
But he doesn't wear it.
Oh.
Astrid has it, but he doesn't wear it.
And he's not digging it, dude.
I know he has the blue one. Where's the large? Where is the large? See, it's like this one. He has this one, but it's blue. But he doesn't even... Yeah. It's a Ralph Lauren one, but he doesn't even wear it. I don't know, he doesn't even wear it. I don't have his size. Here.
What size is he?
4 to 16. 14 to 16. Do you think it's good?
I like it, but I mean, but Aspen always tells me he only likes boring colors. So I don't know if he likes red. But it is plain color, right? So I
And he likes plain.
Yeah.
Where is this thing? What is this?
That's stuck.
Oh, it's not even that bad.
Okay, you want to get it in for him or what?
Yeah. But can we go to my coffee shop first
Yeah,
before I
that's
could
the
go?
You gotta get in line, man.
I know, because there's gonna be a lineup again. May lineup siya. Gandun. Ayun yung front niya.
Look, your face, how do you get scratched?
Ito. Ha? Tapos na kami. Nakuha ko na yung aking kape. Mayroon natin i-hold yan. So, ngayon, pupunta na naman kami. Oh, mapapa-shopping na naman ako dito. Punta nga tayo dito sa La Vie en Rose. Underwears.
Alright, Costco?
Yan guys, nasa sasakyan na kami. Yan, punta na kami ng Costco. Ito po yung mga binili ko. Bilangan ko yung aking espresso na ang tawag din yung kape. 4 lang siya. Tapos pumunta din ako dun sa underwear store, basta sa boutique. Bumili lang ako ng bra tsaka yung aking nightgown. And then, finally, nakita ko na siya! Nakita ko na yung perfume! Ayan o. Ano siya, ang tatak niya is Kenzo. Tapos meron siya kasamang travel bag, which is nice. Tapos may mga, siya, ang tawag nito, mga samples? Ano ba yung mga samples nito? No, mga perfume samples din. So, which is nice. Oh, ang dami niya. Yan. Nandito na kami ulit sa sasakyan. Grabe, ang daming tao sa Costco. Super busy. Ang dami na naman naming napamili. Ewan ko ba? Lagi na lang kaming taggutom sa bahay. Mga anak ko kasi mahilig magsipagkainan ng mga nila. Ng mga... Ayun na siya. Yeah, I am.
Okay.
We gotta go.
Where do you want to go next? Walmart or Sue's?
Which one's the nearest one here? Walmart?
We just go to Calgary Trail. Both of them are like right.
What about this wholesale club?
Oh, the wholesale club is a bit far.
Nasa labas pa din kami. Nag-grocery kasi kami. Dami naming pinamili. Ayan, inabot na yung grocery namin dito kasi puno na yun sa likod. Pauwi na pala kami. Pero bago kami umuwi, pipick upin ko muna pala yung in-order ko pagkain sa isang Filipina dito. Malapit lang sa bahay na. Nakauwi na kami. Nagpagod na ako kasi. What? My candy cane just run out of.
Well, the water could have sorted out too for now.
Really?
No, I guess it's not, because the anytime machine is working, right?
Yeah.
So if it sorted out, they should sort out the whole team.
Ayan yung decoration ko. Yung candy cane decoration ko. Na parang napundi ata. Ngayon, dalawa na yung napundi. Ano ba yan? Parang magpapalit na naman sikit ng ano, ng candy cane na bulb. Pakita ko pala sa inyo yung binili kong ano.
Oh, we expect by Gatorade.
Coffee. Oh, yeah, that's right.
Tomorrow.
Next time. So,
There we go. So,
bubuksan ko lang itong ano, yung binili kong perfume ng Kenzo. Ang tagal kong hinanap to, grabe. Kasi sobrang bango ng amoy niya. Ang laki niya, oh. Nag 50% pa siya, so kaya ang nabayaran ko lang is $148, I think. Pero akalimutan ko actually ang actual amount niya. Pero nag-sale siya, so kinuha ko na. Ang ganda na niya, parang siyang... Ang ganda niya, oh, para siyang ano, parang bulaklak. Oh, it smells so good. Leave it in the car, because I have to give it to one of the driver.
oh, okay.
Ay, grabe ang bango-bango niya. Yeah, grabe ang bango. Super bango niya. Ito yung hinahanap kong scent. Kailan ba yun? Last year ata. Hindi ko siya makita. Kalimutan ka na bang ano nito? Hooded Hullet. Para ang tawag niya. Ano, nakalimutan ko yung tawag niya. Search ko nga, kasi nakalimutan ko eh. Ano ba yan? Tapos bumili pala ako ng kape ko. Ito yung, ano ba ito? Sunny Almond over Ice. Yung ano ka, Nespresso. And then, Nespresso, ano ba ito? Ginembert. This one is almond croissant flavor. This is a peppermint pinwheel. Ano nila, yung kanilang Christmas flavor. And then, what is this? Rich chocolate, yung lagi kong in-order. Magkano ba nabayaran ko dyan? Magkano ba nabayaran ko? Okay, magkano ba? Ang nabayaran ko pala sa Kenzo is, mali pala ako, hindi pala $148. It is $132, including GST. Oh, ang original price niya is $148 exactly, and then 15% off, so $125. So, ayan yung sa perfume. Yung sa ano naman, yung sa Nespresso is, ano lang ata, 50 something dollars. $56 lang pala siya. $56.35. Yung sa boutique ng ano, mga bra store, mga ganyan. Dapat lang na products yung binili ko. Ano na siya? $146.87. Kaya, ayan. Kasi yung dalawa dun is on sale. Kaya, ganyan. So, yan ang bilhin ko.
No more free bags, I guess, eh?
No more free bags.
Oh, shoot.
Yan, tapos na pala si Kit na kuhanin lahat ng aming pinamili. Ito yung mga pinamili ko. Medyo marami-rami talaga siya. Yan, foods. Yan. Yan yung mga napamili ko. Yung iba, ito pa pala, nagtatago. Bumili din kasi ako ng ano, ng to. Nakita ko yung ano, neck gaiter sa Costco. Tsaka yung ski pants ng anak ko. Kaya, ayan. Kaya, bumili din ako. Kaya, naparami din yung bili namin. So, guys. Ayan, aalis na naman kami. Kasi, yung Christmas tree ko, wala nang ilaw. Kaya, ayan. Makakabili na naman ako ng Christmas tree. Tignan nyo. Grabe yung Christmas tree ko. Wala nang ilaw. Ngayon, bibili pala kami ng bulb. Christmas tree.
No, Gretchen probably had boxes of spare bulbs in her house. But now we don't know.
Kumakain pala ako ng honey roasted nuts. Sorry naman. Let's go in.
Yeah.
Punta pala kami muna ng Best Buy bago kami bumili ng Christmas tree. Kasi, pick upin pala namin yung binili naming Christmas gift para sa aking bunso. Yung panganay ko, nabili niya na yung gusto niya. So, yung bunso ko na lang. Nandito na pala kami sa Best Buy. Your customer service. Yan guys, pumunta kami ng Walmart. Wala kami makitang Christmas tree. So now, punta kami sa ibang store. Sa Rona and City kung merong Christmas tree. Kumakain lang siya. Dito na pala kami sa Rona para tumingin ng Christmas tree. Christmas tree na. This one looks nice. This one looks nice, but it's only blue.
That's what I'm wondering. They might be able to change colors. See, it says multicolored LEDs, so it probably can change. It's probably a programming button, something or anything.
330. Yeah, that's okay. That's all good. Oh. Yeah, he's still here. We're just at Rona's. Rona's, looking for Christmas trees because our Christmas tree has broken down. Oh. Oh, okay. But it's gone again? It's gone again? Wala kaming nakitang maganda sa Rona. Ngayon punta naman kami sa Canadian Tire. Kasi lang naman sila magkalapit. Magkatapat. Bakit hirap maghanap ng ngayong Christmas tree? Ngayon pa nawalan. Grabe na daanan namin. Muddy. Natunaw na lahat ng yellow. Sorry. Oopsie, thank you. At least dito marami ko lang. We have more options here. We have more options, yes. Ito. Yan din. Ang dami niyang selection yan. Yes, too. I know this.
Pretty sweet.
This is nice.
Yeah, it's LED.
Yeah, is it LED?
Yeah, out of stock.
Out of stock? Let's see here. Maybe this one. Iba naman namin pinipili. Out of stock. Ano ba yan? Walang option. Yung gusto namin, out of stock. You want that one? Let's go. Oh, that one's nice. LED? This one? Do you think we can have this then? Ouch. Do you think we can have... Honey, I can't reach that one.
It's okay.
I can't reach the... Look how tall it is.
Yeah, that's fine.
But do you think it's a nice one? But I like the other one though.
Let's go find the box then.
What about this thing?
Oh yeah. Yeah, this one's actually not too bad, but it's right.
Can you check on it? I think that one looks...
Multiple wires, but how much is it? What is the price? Oh, $99.
Yeah, it's cheaper.
Yeah, let's get this one.
Well, what's the number?
Aisle 93, box 123.
Huh? Okay, where is it?
Well, 93, box 123. So where's aisle 93?
I don't know. This one looks, I think this one is almost the same as that one, but this one is just only one.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
One
Yan. Nawawala pa ako. Where, do you know where it is?
Well, there's $99 ones back there.
Is that the same one? Oh, this one is the skinny one.
Yeah, so it must be this one then. $99 also, right?
I think that's the same one. Is that the same? This is the one. Is this the one?
99?
Huh?
That's the one?
I think this is the one, isn't it? This is the 3, so just in 130. Is this the one?
Not could be, right?
This one?
That's what it said in the card.
This one, I think. I think this is the one.
123?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to get that or what?
Yeah, I think this is the one.
You want the color changing there? That's $100 more though.
Let's just get this one. I think this one. Do you want that one? Yeah, you can get it if you want it.
Color changing 10 sphere bulbs.
Just go get this person.
I don't think we're gonna find any ones that you have to kiss around and bulb burns out, unfortunately.
So this is yeah, this is a color changing one that you can't. I think this light is just LED is tiny one.
Yeah. I mean, this one's $100 off. Normally it's very expensive.
Yeah. So what do you think then?
Well, I don't know. You want to get a color changing one for an extra $100 or what?
It's up to you. I would like it, but
Okay, let's see
are
this.
you able to do the light still? That's a problem.
All these are light bulb. If a single one burns out, you have to change it, right?
So
Unfortunately.
which one are you saying that multiple?
Multiple what?
Multiple stuff.
Well, this one says it comes with bulbs, but you have to change them yourself, right? One burns out. You need a fiber optic one then, and then these are that kind.
Update guys, hindi namin nabili yung Christmas tree. Dahil 2 beses kami bumalik doon dahil may manufactured defect yung mga Christmas tree na binigay sa amin. Balik kami sa old Christmas tree namin. Kaya ngayon, tanggal na lang namin yung old Christmas light. Tapos, bibili ata yung asawa ko bukas ng bagong Christmas light. Ilalagay na lang dyan. Tapos next year na lang siguro ulit ako bibili ng Christmas tree.